Hi there, this is Stacy with WTI. Are you looking to be a home barista and save yourself on a lot of money by having coffee drinks at home? I would definitely recommend this book. This is the Homemade Coffee Cookbook by Vincent D'Angelo. These recipes are not only super easy to follow and super yummy, but also there's many of the ingredients that are listed in them that you already have at home. And it's amazing the kind of recipes that he has in this book. They're very easy to follow and they're easy to read as well. And the person, he's obviously very knowledgeable about coffee because some of the recipes, he had some coffees in them that I had not heard of, but he fully explains them and also has a corresponding website if you have questions. So this is a great coffee cookbook. This is great for making some yummy homemade drinks at home and saving quite a bit of money, as we all know, but that's just my point of view.